Namaste and very good morning, dear children. This is Yojana ma'am once again with your maths class. Children, if you look around, you will find everything in some or the other shape. And how do we identify these shapes? We are going to learn in this class. So we have just finished with the plane shapes and now we will start with solid shapes.
So we are going to study about solid shapes today. And solid shapes are also called 3D shapes, means three-dimensional shapes. These shapes, apart from having length and breadth, have height also. And the solid shapes have space inside them. Let us see by an example what are we talking about. See, this is an example of a solid shape, a box. It has some length, some breadth and some height also. And if you open this box, then you will find out that there is some space also. So this is one example, and we have some more examples in our daily life. See, there is a glass, a cone, then a gift box, a dice and our basketball. So these are some examples. Otherwise we see almost everything of a solid shape in our daily life. And the shapes, the solid shapes that we are going to study in class 2 are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. And first of all we are going to start with cube. So this is our cube, right? And if you remember, when we studied about plane shapes, first of all we did number of sides, number of corners in the shape. Here also we will start by counting the number of sides, and here in solid shapes we call the sides as edges. So let us find out the number of edges here. So these are our edges, and if we count them, then we find out that there are 12 edges. Okay, now we are going to find out the number of corners, and these corners are also called as vertices. A corner is called a vertex and the plural of vertex is vertices. And see, where two edges meet means two sides. Where two edges meet, then there is a corner. For example, here, or you can say here. So if you look at all the edges and they are meeting at 8 different points, so we can say that a cube has 8 corners or 8 vertices, right? Now we will see the number of faces in a cube. A face is a flat side of a solid shape. So if you look at it, then you will see that it has 6 faces. Okay, so this is about a cube. It has 12 edges, then 8 vertices and 6 faces. Now we will see that each face of a cube is a square, and it means that all the edges of a cube are equal. Right? Now let us study about a cuboid. So this is our cuboid, and here also we are going to count number of sides or number of edges. So if we count, then we find out that here also we have how many? 12 edges, right? Now we will count the number of corners. And where is a corner formed? Where edges meet. So let us see. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we have 8 vertices in a cuboid also. Then we will find out number of faces. So see, this is first front face, then face at the back, then the side face, then opposite of it, then on the top and at the bottom. So it also has 6 faces, right? So this is, you can say that cube and cuboid have same dimensions. You just saw that there are 12 edges in both, 6 faces in both, and 8 vertices in both. So let us see some examples also that resemble a cube. We have sugar cubes, we have dice, we have Rubik's cube, you play with it, है ना? And then we have ice cubes also. And if you want to see the examples of cuboid, then box, a matchbox, cupboard, our books, these are some examples of cuboid. So children, I hope I'm clear with the cube and cuboid, and rest of the shapes we will study about them in the next class. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.